Bubba's chicken sandwich review. Pollo Tropical. Supposedly they have a breaded chicken sandwich. Got my whole posse with me today. Merch Craig / Bella. Then an F-350 going through a small drive-thru. I hope they got a breaded chicken deal here. I want to say hi to Anna's dad, who's a big fan of the chicken review. Supposedly he loves it. So this is for you, Mr. Hummel. I got to look at the menu. Your daughter is really not wearing on me. What's it not? Because wearing on me means they're driving me crazy. She's really growing. Anna's really growing on me. She's really growing on Blitz, if you know what I'm talking about. Now this looks like it's all like not fried. Trying to look at the breaded. Do you have a breaded chicken sandwich, ma'am, sir? And if not, platters, sides. How about sandwiches? Let's see. I can't see any sandwiches. I don't want any shrimp ceviches. Listen, GLC 300, why don't you hurry up and order? You know, the drive-through experience is part of the experience, if that makes any sense. The drive-through experience is part of the experience. And this is like borderline ridiculous. I can't see the menu. Looks like they got is platters. They don't look like they got any. Come on, let's go. Yeah, there you go. I gotta kick it out wide here. Hi. Oh, there. Do you got a crispy chicken sandwich?
We have the cuban crispy chicken sandwich. That's the only sauce we have.
Okay. May I have that, please? And what comes on that?
It has the mayo mustard sauce, pickles. It has the Gouda cheese, the crispy chicken, and ham.
Okay. May I have that with no pickles or creamy mustard sauce, please? Do you guys have American cheese or no? What? Just Gouda?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have French fries?
We do.
Okay, I'll take some French fries.
Okay.
And that's good. Oh, how about that crispy chicken Trapa chop?
Yes, you build your own bowl.
Yeah, I'll take one of those too.
Okay, how would you like it, the base?
The way it looks,
White rice?
the way it kind of looks like on the picture there, just with the chicken strips and the rice with black beans.
Okay, there you go.
No, I think I'm great.
It's 1943.
Thank you. Oh, I should have got sauteed onions on there. We're going a little bit different today. Oh, you got a bumper sticker for me, Craig? I heard Bella back there crying. Bella. How you doing? I do a chicken sandwich review for my YouTube channel. Here's my bumper stickers. Here's my credit card. Hey, can I get sauteed onions added to that bowl?
Yes.
Thank you. This woman's very nice. I like her. What are you doing? What are you doing? Thank you. All right, oh, now see, we got Jack here. crispy chicken sandwich was only $7.99. That's not to $8 if it's good. The Merch Pricks fries were $3 alone. And then my bowl that I got was $6.99, which I think it's a pretty big bowl. So, you know, so far we're right down the middle on the price. The potato wedges were a little expensive. I hope those things are super duper. We'll see here. I've heard great things about this place. I've heard great things about this particular sandwich. It's like a Cuban, it's got ham on it, I think. By the way, I just gave blood. I'm almost 7 gallons now. I'm going to hit 7. I'm 6.75 gallons of double blood red cells. I think of that like of a Home Depot 5-gallon drum. I've filled all of that up, plus a quarter of it with my fat red blood cells, double. What are you doing? We're at Pollo Tropical. And what's this? Oh, this is your lunch. This is your lunch. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Alrighty, bye-bye. Okay, well, we're gonna see here. Woman's very nice, very, very big bag. Very big bag. Gonna back it in here and eat this sandwich. Gonna back it right in here and get ready to eat this sandwich. Okay, here we go. Okay, take this off. Okay, so we're at Pollo Tropical. Bag's just standard. Let me see. This is probably the fries. This goes to the crick. I got to check them. Oh, she might. You like those kind or no? Oh wow. That's my sandwich, and I got to tell you. It's got some weight to it. It was $7.99, but we're gonna. Oh, okay, all right. Here we go. Hold on. Let's get the whole deal here. It's already cut in half for me. So this is ham, Gouda cheese, and then like is that chicken or pork? The crispy chicken Cuban. But that tastes like pork. I don't even know what I got. I mean, it's a really good sandwich, but that didn't look like crispy chicken to me. So, you know, just leave it to me. I just can't do it. Why can't I just get, like...
Do you want me to go back?
No. I mean, the sandwich is good as hell. But I think I'm eating pulled pork. Now, if I was analyzing a pressed Cuban with pulled pork, I think they gave me the wrong sandwich. I mean, the sandwich is good as hell. Now, there's no way that this is a crispy Cuban. Which is a ham and pulled pork Cuban. I swear to God, look. I mean, first of all, super nice, fresh, spongy bun. Beautiful undercarriage. I mean, this is probably an $8 sandwich, this one. But I don't know that I got the right sandwich. I'm gonna have to pull up. Let me pull up Pollo Tropical menu. I don't know if I gotta give this a score or we're getting DQ'd on a technicality. All right. Yeah, we got screwed because it says the crispy chicken Cuban, crispy chicken breast and sliced ham served on a Cuban roll with Gouda cheese. So I got the Cuban sandwich, which was Mojo roasted pork, sliced ham. So I didn't even get I can't even score it because I didn't get the right sandwich. Or does it come back at a different time? With regards to the Cuban sandwich, I'm not even in the Cuban sandwich scoring game, so I can't score it. I liked it. It was a good sandwich, but it's not. I cannot score it in this arena because we're not doing Cuban sandwiches. This is chicken sandwiches. So I guess Pollo Tropical, the woman was nice. Drive-through experience was okay. A little bit long. Truck fit through the thing with him. But they gave me the wrong food. They didn't give me a crispy chicken deal. They gave me a Cuban sliced pork willy. That's a no score. It's a DQ. It's a straight DQ. I tried, guys. I fucking tried.